idea. Lesson 4. Today's topic is jobs. Let's get into it. Subject pronouns. Yes or no questions. He and she. He and she. What's Mr. Jones? He is a policeman. What's Mrs. Jones? She's a doctor. He and she are subject pronouns. We use he when we talk about males, boys and men. We use she when we talk about females, girls and women. We use it when we talk about a thing or an object, so something that is not alive. Other subject pronouns are I, you, we, and they. Write he's or she's, a or an. He's is a contraction of he is, and she's is a contraction of she is. Alright, so picture number 1, you see a policeman. So is it a man or a woman, boy or girl? It's a man, so we use he's a policeman. Number 2, we see a doctor, and she's a woman, so we say she's a doctor. Picture number 3, we see a pilot. Is it a man or a woman? Yes, it's a man, so we say he's a pilot. Picture number 4, we see a lady, so we say she's a housewife. Picture number 5, we see a cute little cat with a vet. A vet is a doctor for animals, so we say he's a vet. And the last one, we see an astronaut. An astronaut is somebody who goes into space, so we say he's an astronaut. Alright. Questions with is. If we look at the first picture, we see a policeman. Is he a policeman? Yes, he is. If we look at picture number 2, we see a pilot. So, is he a policeman? No, he isn't. Is he and is she are yes or no questions. We change the word order in questions. He is a policeman. We move the is to the beginning, to the front of the sentence. So it changes to, is he a policeman? We can use short answers if the question begins with is he or is she. Example, is she a nurse? Yes, she is. Is she a vet? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. Remember, if we make the sentence longer, it is no, she is not. Don't forget that. Let's do the activity. It's a look and write activity. We need to use these 4 answers for the activity. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yes, she is. And no, she isn't. Let's look at the first picture. We see a teacher in the picture. But the question is she a doctor? So what is the answer? The answer is no, she isn't. Number 2, we see a pilot in the picture. The question is he a pilot? What do you think? Yes, he is. Well done. Now let's go to picture number 3. We see a vet. So, is he a vet? Yes, he is. Number 4. What do we see in the picture? We see a nurse. Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. Picture number 5. We see an astronaut. So the question is she a housewife? No, she isn't, because she's an astronaut. And the last one, question number 6. We see a police officer. Is he a policeman? Yes, he is.